Let's look at this example over here and understand why this information is so valuable. I'm going to switch this off right now first to demonstrate what I mean. Looking at the raw search results, it is going to be somewhat difficult to figure out how competitive this landscape is. What you can conclude is that this is a website that focuses on selling this product, and they have different brands of Manuka honey. This is the same domain, but it's a different page that's showing up. This has a headline-based page that is ranked. We probably recognize GNC, that's on page 1, with another website where it's health and beauty products, Nature Farm, another retailer offering Manuka honey. So is Yueng San, and in this case, the search results for fair price. Without having objective data, it is difficult to figure out how competitive it is. That's the reason why I'm showing you or introducing to you the MozBar. Let me switch it on and explain to you how valuable it is without going through very deep analysis. So the beautiful thing is that by switching on the MozBar, I now get to see the insight, at least to appreciate the PA value that we're up against. Well, we're up against two things, the PA value and the number of links. And number of links, by the way, is just link popularity. It is not link reputation, as we will see later on. First things first, do we look at PA or DA? DA stands for domain authority, PA stands for page authority. What's the difference? The DA is referring to the authority of the domain at the domain level, and the PA is referring to the authority at the page level. Now obviously at the home page, it is possible to see both PA and DA, although it's not the same value because it's probably not computed the same way. The bottom line is that you ought to be looking at PA because it may be an inner page that you're competing with very often, like in this case, not the home page. So remember the basics. Page rank is at the page level, which is why I did have a whiteboard session with you previously. So remember, page rank is at the page level, and you want to be analyzing your competitive landscape at the PA level. So we're looking at page authority. How does a page develop page authority? External links, internal links. So remember, both external and internal links pass page rank and grow authority of that page over time. If we look at the first result over here, Honey City, which by the way is owned by a Singapore entrepreneur, you see a massive 1,370 links. Now before you start to get so fainty, like wow, I need 1,370 links to beat this guy, probably not, because this is quantity of links, this is not really quality of links, and we need further analysis to try to have an overview or insight on the quality of links. Now let's look at the rest of the results. P18, 1 link over here, 2 links. Even the GNC has 0 links pointing to this page. 1 link, 0 link, 0 link, 0 link. Fairly low page authority, 0 link. The question is, how established from an on-page perspective are all these results? Well, the answer I can conclude at this point in time is that except for the first result, the rest of them don't seem to be that competitive from an off-page perspective based on the MozBar data, which makes sense because a lot of these links are inner page links as opposed to main domain link itself. One could click on the organic result, and now you see that the data is on the top of the toolbar itself. It's displayed over here. It's the same data. Interesting, there's a new data called spam score, and clicking on this, the links based on this spam score data are questionable. Yes, they do have a lot of links, but looking at the link profile, so let's leave the spam score here open first while we come back over here. Assuming you didn't even know about this, you just click on the 1370 links, you'll open up an analysis, and you find that, wow, they are adding 114 link domains in the last 60 days, inbound links of 1,004. Follow versus no follow, internal links, external links, 30.4% no follow. It's going to be so important to be looking at this area here, which is the top links. So I'm just going to click on this because this is supposedly a top link. And what you see over here, you will see here that this is a junk website. That link is effectively here with the anchor text Manuka Honey Singapore, but this is really a junk website. It has no value. So it's not an authority site that is reviewing on honey, for example. It's just a junk domain with a page that is a spam page like what you're seeing over here. All these random niches congregating on one page like this. In fact, you can even look at his whole entire inventory of websites that he's creating. Now, why he does this, I have no idea. Maybe because he is motivated to see his website go to page 1, number 1. If you ask me, this is the wrong approach that you should not emulate. Please don't emulate this approach. Never mind, let's give him a benefit of a doubt and go to the next link. This is a more decent web page. He should be somewhere here. Let's find him. Honey. So he's here and the link points to him. Now, what's the beautiful thing is that if you had a similar product, you now can come here because it's a directory and go get the same link and neutralize his link, or at the best, you're doing something that the other guys are not doing, which is link building. But you only want to emulate the good links, not the bad links. And this is definitely emulatable. This is 100% not emulatable. So please don't emulate bad results. So by looking at competitor results, you can have a feel of the difficulty. Let's look at the third result over here. Forums are typically low value, and this is not even a post, this is only a profile. So this is very low value. He's just registered himself here. No value at all. This is a 4 even. This is another profile. This is basically spam. Therefore, looking at the links, which is this, I can tell you based on my experience and based on factual evidence, they basically spam their way for the backlinks to build the authority. Now, does Google know these things? Of course Google knows these things. If Moz can pick up spam score, what do you think Google can do? Obviously, much more. And if you look at this, again, even though it's a free tool, and therefore they give you very limited analysis, but looking at this, 404, site can't be reached. Oh my goodness, look at the gambling website redirection. So all these are trashy links. Oh my goodness. This is spammy backlinks. A link's a link, right? This is link popularity, but the value of the link is 0. It could even be negative. There's nothing here worth emulating. Maybe let's look at this one. Maybe this is worth emulating. Singapore Business Directory. It's company details. It looks decent. Is this worth listing in? Yeah, sure. Why not? So you emulate the good ones, not the bad ones, and we found 2. 1, 2. And many of them are all on the same domain, forums, SG Club. Let's take a look at this. Can't be reached as well, right? If you see a long URL, like a weird URL like this, something.buzz, you know it's gonna be horrible. So please, my friends, don't emulate bad links, BAD. And therefore, there's really nothing respectable about the backlink profile of the number 1 Manuka Honey website in Singapore. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a fantastic thing, because if you want to compete on this and you apply what I'm telling you to do and do proper off-page SEO, which I'm going to share with you some ideas. Now, just to give you a hint, let me put my website on audit, which is Flight School. You see that in contrast, I don't have a lot of links, 112, compared to Seletar Flying Club with 985. So why is Seletar Flying Club not outranking me? Remember, it's 200 ranking factors, not just a single ranking factor. Let me show you their website. So are their links credible? Well, I'm going to tell you their links will have to be credible. It's a credible website, but just badly optimized from an on-page perspective. They have about us, flights, contact us. That's about this. Everything is all on one page. So it's their weak on-page optimization that is why I'm able to outrank them. Now look at my link profile. Nothing to hide. It's not as if you are going to start a same business as mine. If you want to start the same business as mine, then buy over my business. I'll sell it to you. Let's do a few things and emulate what we did. We go into the web page, which is the main domain, and that's fine. Let's look at some links. Timeout.com, they are reviewing best aviation schools in Singapore. That's fine, there's nothing wrong with that. Asia One, which is the press. 10 secret places that do not feel like Singapore to go on a special date. They have a bit of ads, and all these ads is kind of irritating, but this is not junk content. This is editorial content. Where am I? Number 10, I guess. Flight School, clickable link, which is a quality backlink. And obviously there are many other links that can be found. Let's look at the spam score. And to be honest, I don't recognize some of these for sure. Let me look into this. What's this? Okay, this is a 4-4. Now, so you also need to understand that there are links that you may not have placed like this. This is what we call a little bit of negative SEO, and it's good that I've done this little review because I'm quite surprised that these things even show up. These ones I will need to remove, and the process is known as disavow. And again, not to overwhelm you with too much knowledge, disavow is something that we would do at the advanced level. But yes, knowing that I do have some of these links, I should disavow them anyway so that it doesn't affect my backlink profile. Yeah, so anything that's a 4-4, you probably want to remove it. This is also not a good link. You can see the spam score here is 50%. Definitely, these links should be removed through a disavow process. But just for the record, I did not go there and do any of these evil stuff. Actually, all my links are clean because I don't do shitty off-page stuff. And that's why I'm on page 1, number 1. I have good content and my link profile is reasonable. So my conclusion in terms of the competitor analysis over here, if I wanted to build a page 1, number 1 Manuka Honey website, I'm very confident I can beat this guy because I know that a lot of the links are seriously bad links. And even if I don't get the page 1, number 1 position, let's assume that he's a stronghold, I'm quite confident I can beat all these guys over here with literally 0 links. And that gives me the confidence to want to go after this keyword, Manuka Honey, because it's a fairly lucrative keyword. In fact, if you were to look at the search volume, and we do that by going to Keyword Planner, just to close off this segment. So coming back over here, Manuka Honey, look for results, sort. You can see here that Manuka Honey in Singapore attracts 4,400 searches. This is really interesting. They're talking about more than 100 searches a day. Branded searches are definitely what is known as transactional searches. People are looking for the brand to buy. But the non-branded search, which is Manuka Honey itself, from an organic search perspective, is worth a lot of value because of the number of searches here. And if you look at the cost per click, assuming you didn't get organic traffic, between 37 cents and $1, assuming it's even 50 cents, 4,400 searches is equivalent to $2,200 in advertising spend 1 month, or $22,000 a year. That's the value of your SEO traffic, because we benchmark the SEO traffic with the paid search traffic. And even if you discount by 50%, it's still a lot of money that you're saving in exchange for applying best practice SEO to organically rank your website on page 1, number 1 in the search engines.